Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the TOMS Men's Classic Alpargata from the Venice Collection. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of TOMS Men's Classic Alpargatas, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, Euro size 43, and it's in the Majolica Blue Heritage Canvas design. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. So looking directly inside the box at the TOMS Men's Classic Alpargatas Majolica Blue Heritage Canvas from the Venice Collection. Now let's lift out the Alpargatas or Espadrilles from the box and just giving you a look inside and making sure nothing else is left behind. Close the box back up and set it to the side, so just setting it on the left hand side of the table and giving you a look at the pair as they are straight out from its box packaging. And now let's take a look at the left Alpargata first and focus on it while I set the right side in the background, so giving you a look at this TOMS Men's Classic Alpargata Majolica Blue Heritage Canvas from the Venice Collection. And now let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full view and look of this shoe. And let's take a look at the hang tag that's attached to the shoe, so giving you a look at one of the two hang tags first and the details that's on it. And there is an OrthoLite comfort foam insoles hang tag as well, and giving you a look at the details that's on it on both sides. And just going to tuck the hang tags inside the Alpargata for now, so that we can have a good clear look at the details of this Majolica Blue Heritage Canvas design. So we can see the weave and texture of this Majolica Blue Heritage Canvas upper, and as we move along we can see there is a TOMS label on the outer side of the shoe. And as we move right towards the heel area, we can see the classic TOMS logo and branding at the back of the heel. And to give you some sense of the shape of the Alpargata or espadrille, and moving towards the inner side, we can see the same consistent Majolica Blue coloring right throughout the shoe, and of course the layering right throughout as well, that starts from the front and overlaps towards the back part of the shoe. And of course the elasticated gusset or gore at the top of the shoe and taking a look from the tip or toe of the shoe and moving right towards the back. So you can see all the details. Of course, I'm going to now move the hang tags out from inside so you can see the details that's inside of the shoe as we move towards the back. And taking a top-down look as well. And now let's take a look on the inside. So it does have the OrthoLite foam insole, and also being from the Venice collection, this one does have the Riviera Stripe lining, as you can see, those vertical blue and white details lining the inside of the shoe. So right there, giving you all the details, and this time around once again looking right inside, and of course the inner labels as well. So you can see the lining does go right throughout with that Riviera Stripe pattern. And now let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So right there, giving you a look at the Eva outsole and taking a much closer in look at its thickness as well. So right there, and of course the traction pattern. And as we move towards the rear of the shoe, we can see the details right there, and of course the materials label. And to give you some sense of the Eva outsole, just tapping on it with my fingernail and finger and scratching it on it as well to give you some sense of this Eva texturing and rigidity as well. So right there, the side profile of this TOMS Men's Classic Alpargata in the Majolica Blue heritage canvas design from the Venice collection. So now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the way the shoe responds. And the materials label has just come off the Eva outsole. I'll just stick that back on if I can. Or maybe not, but that's fine, it's gone back on. So right there, giving you a top-down look. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe back. And in the background, now taking a look at the right shoe, this time Of course, this one doesn't have the hang tag, so you might have a much clearer view of the details. And let's do a 360 rotation. And take some close in looks at the details. So right there, once again, the Majolica Blue design with the heritage canvas upper, and of course the OrthoLite insole. So soft and springy with a light to medium level of firmness, just pushing down with my thumb. And once again we see the Riviera Stripe lining, and of course the TOMS branding at the back of the heel. So giving you a fuller look at this alpargata. And once again, that elastic gusset or gore. And of course, the outsole or bottom being EVA. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And I'm just going to pick that little bit of loose white thread off and give you a look at the pair side by side. And from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And the undersides or bottoms as well. So right there you can see the plain EVA bottoms. So that's the TOMS Men's Classic Alpargata from the Venice Collection. Thanks for watching and happy walking!